All right, y'all. So I finally got all my pieces. I got my cooler and I got the rest of my fans. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of the cooler on my motherboard. All right, now I can install the bracket to the back of the motherboard. I believe it goes like this. Then I have screws that come in the box of the AIO. All right, so now I've attached my lead fans. I've taken off the little pieces at the end that connect them, so I have space here. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and screw it in. All right, so now that I have my motherboard all set and my radiator all set, I'm gonna go ahead, grab my PC case, put my motherboard in, and start plugging in some wires. All right, so I already attached this extra little bracket for my micro ATX motherboard, so I'm gonna go grab it and screw it in. All right, so I've attached my radiator, attached my bracket. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on top of the CPU. It already comes with pre-applied thermal paste. Thank you, EK Nucleus. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. Like and follow for part 2.